How's the weather today?
Got a boat night, got a car, gotta get my draw. Alright, we gotta get it together. 1, 2, ready, 3, 4, go. 5, 6, 7, gotta make a show. I can't tell you how I knew. I'm so sick of feeling blue. Tell your mama, tell your pa, tell your sister, tell your dog. Alright, we gotta get it together. I'm crazy for you. I'm so crazy for you. Alright, I'm crazy for you. I'm so crazy for you. Alright, tell your mama, tell your pa, tell your sister, tell your dog. Alright, we gotta get it together.
Introducing the Kodak Cherish C525 Video Baby Monitor. With battery-powered baby monitor and camera, the Kodak Cherish C525 provides great portability for monitoring around your home or while traveling. Infrared night vision, you'll get a clear view of your child in a low-light or pitch-black room. Tilt, pan, and zoom on selected Cherish cameras give great vantage point flexibility. Monitor from anywhere by connecting via Wi-Fi to the Kodak Smart Home app and get smart motion and sound notifications. With two-way talk, share a quick moment with your little one from the office or just downstairs. With the extended range, you'll get great signal throughout your home, and the large HD screen provides a clear picture of your child. The Cherish Baby Monitor, perfect for nap time and nighttime, and everything in between. Kodak, always in the moment.
Scenes like this are unavoidable in everyday life. While some stuff is easy to wipe away, The whole scrubbing and cleaning the stuck-up grime thing can really drive you mad. But what choice do we really have? Well, now there's Skidoo, an incredibly powerful scrubber for your everyday cleaning needs. Skidoo scrubs dried and stuck-up grime super easily. The stubborn built up on your stove is no match for Skidoo. Skidoo is multifunctional. The brush attachment deep cleanses all those bottles and glasses up to every last corner. Skidoo's copper scrubber attacks burnt food and grime on your grill and in your oven, with you putting in zero effort. The back of this pan hasn't been cleaned in years, and it shows. Let's Skidoo it sparkling clean. Spick and span in 30 seconds. Skidoo is light, so you can hold it comfortably. The scratch-free pads are perfect for delicate surfaces. Scrub greasy glass oven doors with absolute peace of mind. Let's test Skidoo with a burnt pan. Here we go, almost done. Have you ever scrubbed off burnt food this fast? With Skidoo, it's easy. You can keep an extra attachment for your bathroom, or simply keep a separate set of scrubbing pads. Scrub through the gunk built up in your sink. Tackle the stains on your shower glass. And banish the difficult-to-remove bathtub grime. In a compact body, we managed to house a high-torque motor so you never lose power scrubbing tough jobs. Our innovative PTD technology distributes the motor's power evenly to 3 scrubbers, while allowing them to rotate in opposite directions. And that powerful opposite rotation is exactly what helps you scrub super fast with zero effort. Skidoo's app helps you optimize product use, connects you to an online community, and makes it easy to buy attachments and supplies. Skidoo is made keeping the environment in mind, so scrub ahead responsibly. Now let's think outside of the box. Why not Skidoo your car, your bicycle, the garden pots, or your used-to-be white sneakers? Whatever stubborn dirt you want to scrub off, Skidoo will help you out. It's time to say goodbye to the old way of scrubbing, my friend. From now on, just Skidoo it.